Hi everybody, this is Dr. Becky Mays. I'm a board-certified medical doctor, and by way of background, I practiced gastroenterology for 12 years in Tucson, Arizona, and retired 7 years ago to pursue natural therapies to help my patients and to help people that I care about and love. And I have been around the nutrition world for many, many years, and I love when we can heal the body naturally with wonderful modalities, getting back to nature, nourishing our body, allowing our body to be the miracle it was meant to be. And recently I've discovered a wonderful technology. It's something that I've never come across before, and I want to share it with you because this addresses pain. This particular power strip is actually listed as a Class 1 medical device by the Food and Drug Administration, and it's allowing people to address or eliminate pain. Did you know that the pain industry is a $650 billion industry, and people are suffering? And when I was in practice, people were on horrible medications oftentimes to address their pain. They were on narcotics like Demerol or morphine, fentanyl. They were on OxyContin, oxycodone, Tylenol number 3, Darvon, Darvocet, and they were on anti-inflammatories a lot of times like Naprosyn and Celebrex and Vioxx, and sometimes just over-the-counter stuff like Advil and Motrin, and sometimes they were prescribed steroids. I saw the side effects in my GI practice. I saw the constipation, the abdominal pain, the bloating, the change in brain chemistry. I saw the GI bleeds, the ulcerations. I saw the liver damage and the kidney damage. I never had anything natural to offer my patients until now. I have something that actually delivers a far infrared treatment that goes deep into the system to address the area of pain. And it's all about this elemental germanium. It's a mineral that when you place this power strip over the area of pain, your natural heat production is reflected back inside into the body, allowing the body to nourish, allow the body to eliminate that discomfort. And we're seeing topical effects that are amazing too, because people are putting these strips all over their body, and we're seeing wonderful, wonderful skin effects as well. There's also nutrients within the strip. When you peel it off and you put the sticky stuff right on the skin, there's wild marine phytoplankton, there's red fermented Korean ginseng, and there's silver. So we are providing the body with nourishment, we're providing the body the ability to eliminate pain, and we're able to go into 190 countries with this wonderful product. So try them, share them, and you're going to affect positive change around the world.